So let's see. Markets are exactly where they were pre-market. And I mean, yesterday's volume was something crazy. I mean, crazy meaning really, really boring. What is that alert that I have out here? Oh, I just wanted to know if Square got above 72, which it is right now, which is good. Need to keep going though. We got 2 more weeks. A little bit less than that. All right, so gaps as far as we're concerned. I'm going to give those a couple seconds to completely fill in. We haven't been open for even a minute yet. We're getting some volume across the board. Very, very not convincing in the least bit on anything right now. Markets are, I don't know, maybe they've upticked once or twice since we opened up. Not a whole heck of a lot going on. That happens. Let's see, Activision. Nothing really there. All right, let's take a look at our gaps. We have time now. Roku gapped up 2.25%. 47.3 to 48, yeah. All right, we will set that alarm for ourselves. I don't know that it's coming back. We got to wait for the full 10 minutes. But that is set. ACB, that's already filled its own gap, so we're not going to do that. Tilray is going to have 2 wide, and it's almost filled its own gap. NBEV is going to be the same thing. Square, nice. We want that to keep going, but if it doesn't, we will be there for that gap filled on the downside back at like 72.70-ish. And then that's it for the upside, downside. We have just 3 USO that we know that we're not going to trade. Gilead, G-I-L-D, that had earnings. They are down 3.25%.